Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with an incredible review for you today. This is going to be VIOFO's 3-channel dash camera. You've got front view, interior view, and back view. We're gonna do a thorough review. You're gonna see all of the footage, including nighttime footage. We're gonna go through all of the specs in the app and all that good stuff. But first, on a personal level, I just want to tell you guys how important it is to have that dash camera. Let me tell you, I will never be caught without one. About 6 months ago, Adam had just bought a new car and we are trying it out for the first time. We were sitting in a parking lot actually, and he was showing me all the different features, and I was going to drive it for the first time. And I look and I can see in our backup camera, not our dash cam because we didn't have one at the time, but I see this horror in my eyes when a lady backs up right into our brand new vehicle. Expensive luxury brand, brand new, just backs right up into it. Now, that would have been bad enough, but here's the thing. She gets out of the car and she immediately, we ask for her, insurance and registration, all that kind of stuff. She immediately starts saying, no, that wasn't my fault. You hit me, I'm gonna sue you. All of the things that just go through your mind that are a complete nightmare situation. Now, had I had dash camera footage, I would have been so much less afraid of potential lies, potential fraudulent lawsuits, and also just being able to make my own insurance claim and prove without a shadow of doubt exactly what happened. Had I had my VIOFO going, had I had that rear view camera seeing clearly what happened, I wouldn't have been worried at all. And so that's why never ever again will I be driving, especially in my busy urban area, without that protection. And I definitely encourage you, especially if you have a family, especially if you have kids, being able to see what's going on in the backseat of your car, especially if you are a rideshare driver. It's just so important for those liability reasons, for those safety reasons, and so much more to make sure that you are protecting yourself, your family, and all of your interests. So let's go ahead and talk about this incredible device and let me tell you more of those tech specs. Let's go. Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm so excited to talk to you today about my new favorite dash cam. This is from VIOFO and it's actually a 3-channel camera, and what we mean by that is that we are going to have a camera looking forwards in front of us. We're going to have a camera out the rear tracking what's behind us, and then we also have a camera monitoring the inside of the cabin. And the cool thing about this that sets the inside camera really apart on this is that it is a big wide fisheye lens, so you're going to be able to see even more. You can see actually out the sides of the window and a full view of what's going on in the car itself. Now, there is brilliant app control for this. You're going to be able to see everything going on in real time, monitor things on the app, review your past footage. It also has an SD card, so you're going to be able to pop that out and be able to see exactly what went on, even when you are parked, which is really, really incredible, having that extra monitoring not only while you are driving, but also when your car is parked in a parking lot. There are a lot of different ways to utilize this, whether you want to actually hardwire this into your car's battery, or if you have it like I kind of have it temporarily mounted, I just have it into the cigarette lighter, which makes it very, very easy. You can install this in a matter of moments. It's all super, super easy. It comes with all the accessories that you need, and it is a really, really beautiful, the front camera is actually 4K, everything else is 1080p, all HD, really, really beautiful, and it works really well in bright light conditions and also in your low light conditions. So let's go ahead and do a deeper dive and let me tell you all about this fantastic product. So as I'm sure you've seen by now at this point in the video, you can tell this is a really, really beautiful image. Not only, like I said, is it a 4K camera in the front, everything in Ultra HD, really, really great, but it also, all 3 channels have Starvis 2 sensors. And if you're not familiar with what that means, basically you can think of it as like a sensor that is bringing out the noise of your picture. It's actually working to make sure that you see all of the colors properly, even when you are in very bright lights. So right now, for example, you can really tell I'm sitting outside in my car in Florida. It's so sunny all the time, but sometimes with a camera, just like any camera, it can become overexposed when there are super bright lights. What those sensors do is make sure that even when you are in really, really bright sunlight, or if you were in low light, the picture picture that you see both on your SD card and in your app is all going to be more true to life than a traditional camera that might be overexposed, that might, kind of see a big flash of light and you might not get a clear, accurate representation of what's going on. This is going to account for that and use those sensors to make sure that you get less noise and a more crisp, beautiful, true to life representation of what's going on. I also really, really love, and as I mentioned before, having that ultra wide lens in your interior shot. This is super, super important, especially if you are a parent and you want to be able to see exactly what's going on, even in the back seat, even with your kids, even with your pets. And also especially if you are an Uber driver, Lyft driver, anything like that, if you are doing rideshare at all, make sure that you have something that's actually capturing everything that's going on in your car. It's great for liability, it's great for safety, and this is going to give you kind of that full picture of everything that's going on. Even on the sides of the car, it's just a much, much better camera system than a lot of the others I've seen. Also, let's talk connectivity. This supports Wi-Fi 6, and why that is important is this is going to allow you to take those big, gigantic 4K, gorgeous image files that can be quite large and transfer them in a matter of seconds. So if you were in an emergency situation, or if you need this data fast, or if you're just like me and you don't have time to wait around all day, this is going to really, really be a lot faster than previous dash cams where moving your data took forever. This is something that can do, a 10-minute 4K big file in a matter of seconds. It's going to save you a lot of time and be a lot more convenient. And if you want to make sure that you have all of your data, this actually supports SSD storage as well. So I'm talking up to several terabytes of storage to make sure that you can continually record and keep yourself safe. You're not constantly having to erase and write over data. You can keep all of your stuff. Make sure that you have every angle, every file, every video for tens of thousands of rides. I love the ease of setup. It only takes a matter of moments. And again, you have so many different options. If you want to soft wire this, you can do that. If you want to hardwire, you can do that. And one of my favorite things about if you do end up hardwiring this system in, which I highly recommend, and I will eventually do myself, is that gives you the ability to have your parking detection on. So when you are parked with your car, it will kind of go into this ultra low power mode, which will protect you from impact. So if there is any impact, someone hits you in a parking lot, someone tries to break into your car, it will automatically detect this and start recording. So not only are you protected while you are actually on the road, but it's keeping an eye on your vehicle even when you aren't in your vehicle, even when it's just parked. So many incredible options. On top of that, you're going to get really accurate GPS location for all of your road trips, all of your ride shares. So you get superior positioning and all of that kind of stuff. And that app, again, like I said, very, very easy to connect to and set up, and gives you a ton of options for what and how you monitor and how you use your dash cam system, what you record, what you take a screenshot of or a snapshot picture of. And this also will allow you to use voice control to say, perhaps like start recording or take a photo, etc., etc. You can do all of that simply with voice control, which again is going to keep you safer, keep your hands on the wheel, eyes on the road, and it can handle everything else. I absolutely love this product. Great company, super, super easy and intuitive with all of the installation and setup, and beautiful, beautiful crisp pictures all around my car, both front, back, and inside. I highly recommend picking up a dash cam, especially really for anyone. But if you are, a mom, dad, family, definitely need one of these. If you are a rideshare driver, gotta pick one up. And if you are just like me and you drive in a big crazy city all the time, you need one of these to help yourself stay as safe as possible and as protected as possible. I absolutely love this one, and I think it is a super, super winner. I'm going to put all of the links and information in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.